So this is a short video on how to fit auxiliaries and accessories to the class-leading compact NSX circuit breaker by Schneider Electric. You open the product. Depending on what your requirements are, you can have a look inside the product. Inside the circuit breaker, it's marked OF or SD. So depending on what you require, you can plug the auxiliary into the OF position, or you can plug it into the SD position, depending on what your requirements are. On the cover of the product, you will see there's markings there where you can actually cut it out to assist you in the wiring of the products. So once you've clipped it in, you can put your wires nicely through the circuit breaker, and there you go.